What happens to your body when you eat beets every day? Eating beets every day can have various effects on your body due to their nutritional content. Beets are rich in essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here are some potential effects of eating beets daily. 1. Nutrient intake. Beets are a good source of nutrients such as folate, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, and vitamin C. Consuming beets regularly can help ensure you're getting these nutrients, which are important for various bodily functions. 2. Heart health. Beets contain nitrates, compounds that can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This can contribute to better cardiovascular health by potentially lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Digestive health. Beets are high in dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and can prevent constipation. Fiber also plays a role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. 4. Detoxification. Beets contain antioxidants and compounds that support the liver's detoxification processes. They can aid in the removal of toxins and waste products from the body. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants found in beets, including betalains, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. 6. Cognitive function. Nitrates in beets have been suggested to have potential cognitive benefits by improving blood flow to the brain. This could lead to better cognitive function and potentially help protect against cognitive decline. 7. Exercise performance. Some research suggests that the nitrates in beets can enhance exercise performance by improving oxygen utilization and endurance. This could be particularly beneficial for athletes. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Beets have a relatively low glycemic index and can contribute to better blood sugar control. This is important for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. 9. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in beets may have anti-cancer properties. They can help neutralize harmful free radicals and support the body's defense mechanisms against cancer development. 10. Red urine. One notable effect of consuming beets is that they can cause red or pink discoloration of urine. This is a harmless phenomenon called beeturia, and occurs due to the presence of pigments in beets. While beets offer numerous health benefits, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and not rely solely on one type of food. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key to overall health. If you're considering making significant changes to your diet, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure it's appropriate for your individual needs and health goals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.